Endangered animals. Many animals living on Earth today are endangered, which means they are at risk of becoming extinct on Earth. Endangered animals include tigers, rhinoceroses, orangutans, turtles, and many more. The biggest threat to animals come from humans. People are destroying animals' habitats, such as rainforest. They are using the trees to support our growing human population. Many wild animals are also hunted by humans, for example, for their fur or horns. Others are killed by pollution and global warming, which changes the climate and affects animal survival rates. Giant panda. The giant panda is one of the rarest animals in the world. Found in China, pandas are losing their homes as forests are destroyed due to the demand for extra land and timber. Orangutans. Orangutans live in rainforest and are threatened by the destruction of their habitat. Orangutans are also at risk from illegal hunting, especially females, who are often killed to allow the capture of their babies. The baby orangutans are then sold illegally as pets. Rhinoceroses. Rhinoceroses are hunted for their horns, which, in parts of Asia, are powdered and used in local medicines. Tiger. Today, there are only about 3,200 tigers left in the world. People hunt the tigers for their skin to sell body parts as traditional medicines and sometimes just for sport. Sea turtle. Nearly all species of sea turtles are endangered. They are killed for their meat, shells, skin, and eggs, and are also captured in accidental fishing.